Good morning, students. In previous lecture, we have discussed about loan activities of banks. Today, we are going to discuss two different credit situations. How the loan give profit to one person and how another person is destroyed by the loan. Here two example is given. In example first, it is a festival season. In festival season, one shoe maker is there. He got order of 3,000 pairs of shoes from large businessman trader, and he took some amount in advance from the traders, and he had taken leather on credit from the leather distributor, and he manufactured the shoes on time by hiring labor who helped him in manufacturing, and he manufactured shoe on time and he delivered that to the businessman, and in this way he made a good profit. He earned good profit. This is the loan in secondary activity. This is the loan in manufacturing activity, and he got profit. And the second example which is given, it belongs to primary sector in agriculture. In rural area, one lady, she is farmer. She is cultivating groundnut in her field, and for that she had taken the loan from the money lender at their village, and she had sown the seed, but the crops failed and harvesting was not good in first year, and she was unable to pay the credit to the money lender. She was unable to pay the money in return to the money lender, and again she saw the seeds. She had taken another fresh loan from the money lender. She thought that her crops will come good. She will harvest good amount of crops, but due to the failure of crops, she again unable to pay the money return. At this time, she fell in debt trap, and she had to sell her land, part of land, to submit the money which she had taken as a loan. In this way, sometimes with the help of loan, one can make profit, and sometimes some person became the debtor, fall in the debt web. In this way, two conditions is given in our book. Now we are going to discuss about term of credit. The next topic is term of credit. If you want to take credit from the bank, what are the conditions? Term of credit. Term of credit. Bank needs collateral for giving money. They need some people who have their account in that bank, and also the receipt of your house or the paper of your land. After satisfying that you are eligible for taking loan, then only they provide loan to the people, or any person who are working in any institution, and if they are getting salary, there are many terms and conditions according to which the person can get loan from the bank. For taking loan from the bank, collateral is essential. What is collateral? Look here. Collateral is an asset that the borrower owns. It may be land, building, vehicle, livestock, deposit with banks. These all things are there, and uses this as a guarantee to lender until the loan is repaid. If the loan taker do not able to pay the loan back, money back to the bank, at that time they can sell the assets which are given here, and they take money by selling these all collateral. In this way, they take guarantee as a collateral, then only they provide the loan. Here one example of house loan is given. Megha, a woman, she has taken 5 lakh rupees for taking house, purchasing house. She had to pay 12% interest per annum per year, and time of repayment is 10 years. And she had to submit her employment record to the bank, and bank had kept her documents, the return paper of new house. When she will give all money, deposit all money to the bank, then they will return the paper of her house. Here, what are terms of credit? Look, interest rate, collateral, and the documentation requirement and mode of repayment together comprise what is called the term of credit. Here, you understand what are the terms of credit: interest rate, collateral, and the documentation requirement and mode of repayment together comprise what is called the term of credit. These all things are required at the time of taking credit from the bank. Now the next topic which we are going to discuss, it is variety of credit arrangement. It is variety of credit arrangement. In rural area, how people arrange the money for their cultivation, for their livelihood. Here, example is given. One farmer, Samuel is there, and he had 1.5 hectare of land, and he had taken loan from the money lender at the rate of 5% per month. It means 5 12 are 60% per annum per year. It is very high interest rate, and every year he take loan from the money lender, and he suffer because the interest is very high. And another example is given about Arun. He is big farmer. He take loan from the bank by giving collateral 8.5% per annum, means taking loan from the formal sector is good. Then the informal sector, the loan which we take from our neighbor, from the money lender, or from our friend, they are known as informal sector of loan, and which we take from the cooperative and bank, they are known as formal sector loan. When we take loan from the bank to cultivate our land, they take very less interest on the loan. This is the variety of credit arrangement, means from where we are arranging the credit, whether we took from the money lender or our relative or the big farmers or from the bank. But it is always good when we take loan from the bank, it take very less interest.